Hello students, today we are going to talk about water and its properties. What is meant by water? Water is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, transparent chemical substance which is neutral in nature and the main component of oceans, rivers, lakes on the earth. So it is made up of two atoms named as hydrogen and oxygen. So all of you know that. So the molecular formula of water is H2O. So it is an important liquid that plays an essential role in the life on the earth. About 71% of the earth's surface is made up of water. About 97% of water on the earth is salt water and humans cannot consume this water. So 2% of the water on the earth is glacier ice. Less than 1% of all the water on the earth is fresh water that we can actually use. Okay. So we use this small amount of water for many purposes. Okay. So you know that states of water. Okay. So there are solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Okay. So you know that water can exist in all the three states. So for solid state, ice is the solid state of water. Okay. For liquid state, it is the form of water with which we are most familiar. Most of the part of the earth's surface is made up of with the liquid state of water. It has a wide range of applications in our daily life like drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, etc. Okay. So now look at this picture and see this and color the picture and talk about the picture. Okay. First look at the picture and then see the precipitation come from rain and then collection and evaporation and then condensation. So give the picture for this water cycle and then you see this the properties of water. What is the properties of water? So first we talk about physical properties of water. Water is a clear and transparent liquid. So it is a colorless, odorless and tasteless liquid. Okay. For example, ice melts and water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius at what atmospheric pressure. So the freezing point of water decreases with an increasing pressure. So now give the answer for this. Water as a solid is called ice. Okay. Water as a solid is called as ice. And then water as a liquid is called as water. Water as a liquid is called as water. Water as a gas is called water vapor. Water as a gas is called water vapor. The density of water is gram or centimeter cube is equal to 1. Okay. So density of water is 1 gram or 1 centimeter cube. So an object floats when a density of an object is less than the density of water, less. Okay, the answer is less. Okay, so an object floats when the density of an object is less than the density of water. Likewise, if you see the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure. So the boiling point of water gets reduced at higher altitudes as the atmospheric pressure decreases. So if you see, I tell one example. In a pressure cooker, food is cooked better and quicker because the temperature of the boiling water inside the cooker, that is the under pressure, is higher than the, like you see 100 degrees Celsius, say 110 degrees Celsius or more. Okay. Okay. Now we talk about the anomalous expansion of water. It is the unique physical property of water. On cooling, the volume of water contracts first, just as other liquids. However, on cooling, water contracts only up to 4 degrees Celsius. After this, it expands. Okay. So also, when ice at 0 degrees Celsius is heated, it contracts rather than expanding. This property of water supports the aquatic flora and fauna even in colder regions. So the water is frozen at the surface while remains liquid below the layer of ice. Okay, thank you so much, students.